So guys, I welcome all of you at Money for All channel. In this video, we will talk about the US stock market. We will do a quick introduction of the US market, understanding what kind of exchanges are listed there, where they are located, how many companies are listed under them. And we will also talk about the best 5 stock. If somebody has to pick in 2019, what would those stock will going to be like? We will going to talk about that also in this video. So here we go. So see guys, there are 2 exchanges in US. First is New York Stock Exchange and second is NASDAQ, NASDAQ. New York Stock Exchange is an American stock exchange located at 11 Wall Street, New York City. It is by far the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization of its listed companies at 30 trillion as of February 2018. This is last year figure. The average daily trading value was approximately 20 billion USD. And if we talk about NASDAQ, the NASDAQ stock market is an American stock exchange. It is the second largest, followed by the New York Stock Exchange, and it is also located in New York City. So it is the same cities. Both cities have 2 exchanges and both of them are the world 2 leading exchanges. So in New York Stock Exchange, there are 2,800 companies that are listed under this exchange. And in NASDAQ, there are 3,300 companies. So guys, quickly, we will talk about the top 5 picks of 2019. If somebody has to invest in US market, these are the 5 companies we recommend you to pick and can wait for these to double your investment. So the first company would be Berkshire Hathaway. Second would be Dow DuPont. Third is Starbucks. Fourth is Facebook. And fifth would be Johnson & Johnson. So let's talk about each of them in 2 minutes. Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett and the Vice Chairman Charlie Munger have toiled for decades to create a remarkable, steady business like few others in existence. Berkshire recently bought back nearly $1 billion in stock, signaling Buffett believes share trade below intrinsic value. The owner of timeless, entrenched companies in insurance, railroads, utilities, and aerospace. These 2 old sags have built Berkshire into a company that can particularly run on cruise control for the next century. While it's regrettable that Buffett and Munger can't run the company forever, but Berkshire's famous liquidity, steady hand, and impeccable reputation should allow it to take advantage of panics and acquisition opportunities for years to come. So it's a great opportunity that we believe one should definitely target on. Let's talk about Dow DuPont. Money is made by discounting the obvious and betting on the unexpected. This phase may best encapsulate the logic behind Dow DuPont inclusion among 2019 best stocks to buy. One of the dogs of the Dow, though late 2018, Dow DuPont is a somewhat constrained pick, premised mainly on the fact that when the company spins into 3 separate businesses, it should unlock value for shareholders of the original Dow DuPont. The resultant stand-alone companies will be Dow, that will deal in material sciences, DuPont, specialty products, and Corvita, agricultural seeds, weed killers. Dow DuPont is targeting synergies of 3.6 billion USD and is repurchasing 3 billion of stock before the first company spins. Let's talk about the third stocks that we have picked, and that is the Starbucks. While the running gags with Starbucks is there, one on every corner, that punchline still rings hollow in some part of the globe. The company's biggest growth opportunity is in the China, Asia Pacific region, where it opened 278 new stores between July and September alone. Hedge fund titan Bill Ackman certainly believes Starbucks is one of the best stock to buy for 2019, having bet over 900 million on shares mere months ago. Even after a 10% rally on impressive results, share trade for 20 times earning. China sales grew 41% last quarter. Even if overall growth is modest, Starbucks is a great company at a fair price. Let's talk about Facebook now. Bold long-term investors should consider Facebook 2018 public relation crisis as a great entry opportunity. The time to buy, after all, is when there is probable bold in the streets. With 2.2 billion monthly active users, Facebook network is impossible for competitors to replicate without Facebook seeing the threat a mile away. Look no further than Facebook-owned Instagram's ruthless handling of Snap Incorporation, Snapchat, whose popular ephemeral messaging service was swiftly mimicked, destroying the young company momentum. Facebook plans to enter online dating and potential to charge for Facebook marketplace transactions are just too many potential bullish catalysts that underline why Facebook is one of the best stocks to buy for 2019. Let's talk about our last pick, that is Johnson & Johnson. One of the best blue chip stocks for last century. Johnson & Johnson is built to last though whatever economic situation you can throw at it. 3 multi-billion-dollar division, pharmaceutical, consumer good and medical devices give Johnson & Johnson board diversification and combined make the stocks an absolute cash cow. A major reason Johnson & Johnson remain one of the best stock to buy for 2019 is its ability to weather the business cycle. Consumers don't stop skinning their knees, getting headaches, upsetting their stomachs, or wanting to look their best when the economy slumps. The patents protect much of its roughly 40 billion pharma business. So guys, these are the 5 top picks that we have for you for 2019. We have just described you how these companies are best for you to pick in 2019. So you must have them added in your watch list, and whenever you get opportunity, just jump on them. So happy trading guys. Happy 2019. Thank you so much for watching the video.